working on this Hyundai Veloster, and just a quick tip when removing the cowling. You have this little cover here before you remove the windshield wiper nut. So I want to show you what the clips look like. That way you have an idea. So it goes like this. So what I did, I pushed with my hand inwards, and I was able to release the front clip. Same thing with the other side. And that's what allowed me to remove the that little cover there. There is a screw underneath here, kind of hard to see, and then there's just clips holding this molding on, so be careful. And then for the molding, if you are a technician that likes to use universal, you could probably use the PUG7 from Marcy, and that's a pretty simple removal for the cowling. This little clip right there, they push down clips, and that's it. I'll get this window removed, but a little cover, definitely, if you don't know for the first time, you'll break it. All right guys, quick tip on this upper molding. The molding does have like a corner, and it goes down about 1.5 inches. So in case you want to get the original, just so you don't have to make that cut and bring it down. And the cowling was kind of difficult to pull it out. There's this little guide right in the middle, so pull up that guide and then pull it back. Otherwise that guide will not let it slide back. And yeah, this is the type of cowling that goes under the glass, so you will have to pull it back. All right, so that's it for the install. Everything very simple. The side molding just have clips. Little grommets that you have here, is if you see them here, put them into the little clip. It's more airtight if you use those little grommets, little foam. Here's a little look at the door glass, quarter glass, and back window. Back window seems to have a underside of molding on top only, and there's one more little glass on the very back, and that's it. There's no vent glass on the rear window. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching.